we have a shuttle service, a one-way shuttle service that leaves at 7:30, 8:45, and 10 in the morning that can take you where you need to go. If it's if it is a big job and an incomplete, it's going to take us a day or two to complete it, whatnot, we can provide you with a rental car, and we'll take care of that cost incurred. We do try to do things, and our turnaround time is we try to do it in a day. That is our goal, to try to get it completed within a day. Yeah, when we give them a list of items they need to address on their car, we'll prioritize it for them. It's hard to put mileage on certain things, but we'll give them the most important as far as safety goes, down to things that, check back with us in 6 months when you come back for your second oil change. We'll revisit it then and let you know if it's progressed or if we're still the same and you're okay, and we can just keep revisiting when you come in to make sure that our goal here isn't to try to get it all done at once. Most people have a hard time affording repairs as is, and nobody likes to spend money on their car as is. I mean, we just try to do the necessities to make sure that they don't have safety issues down the road, and to save them the money they need to be saved now as opposed to costing them in the end. We run a lot of specials and coupons, and we have the senior discounts, military discounts, student discounts. We try to help anybody out that can, that is deserving and they need some assistance. We'll try to do what we can to, we'll search a bunch of different parts facilities to try to find them the best price on parts. 3 or 4 different places we'll look and get them the best price on the most quality part that we can, to try to save them money in any point we can. We get a lot of good feedback as far as, we try to go above and beyond. We try to wash the vehicles, vacuum it if needed. We try to accommodate those type of things. We offer people, we open at 7 a.m. If you want to come in first thing, we'll try to get you in right away. If you want to wait, and you can make your decision from there if you can leave it or if you need to reschedule, but we'll try to do things as quickly as possible to try to get people in and out. People don't have a lot of time to be waiting anymore. So that's our goal, is to try to make it as less painful on people as possible. This is our shop. This is our lube rack. Each technician is equipped with 2 service bays, so they can work on 2 cars at a time. If the customer, if they call in, and we also put in reminders in their cars for their oil changes up in the corner of the windshield to let them know this is when it's due. We send out reminders, and anytime they want to have a question on anything, they call us, and it's available right at our fingertips to let them know what they had done last and what they're due for now. I'd say it's very competitive. I have shopped probably 8 to 10 different places, and we're in line, if not better priced than most of them on the basic stuff that I checked. Oil changes, alignments, things to that magnitude. We're definitely online, if not better than price-wise. To make their first experience the best experience they could have, so they continue to come back and are comfortable with us and trust us. Trust is probably the biggest thing, I think, in a relationship with somebody's car. I mean, they're leaving it in your trust to be fixed the first time, and to be fixed right the first time, and to know that if they need something else, they can call and they feel comfortable bringing it back in. This is our alignment rack and our balance machine. Our parts department is over in the corner, so we have everything right here at the back counter, so we can kind of speed the process up as quick as possible. Like I said, we have 4 technicians, one technician here, one here, and then we got them on each side of the shop. We have a wash bay here to try to wash each and every car. That's about it for our shop. Everybody here they have at least 18 years plus experience. I've been here for 20 years in the service department, that is, and Robert's going on 10 years as a service consultant. So, we have a lengthy amount of time as far as experience. Sure, absolutely, and they have the right. I mean, we have, we will personally take them down into the shop and show them their car with the technician and the service consultant. All three of us will stand there, and they can point out so they can visually see that this is an oil leak and this is where it's coming from, and you can see that it is leaking oil, or you can see that you have cracks in your drive belt, and you can look, with your own eyes to see that goes a long way with people. We have, in my opinion, we are state of the art on everything we have. We are constantly upgrading to keep up with new technology that comes out, software, any writing of CDs, everything that comes out, we stay on top of, and we try to stay on top of it as much as we can with all makes and models. Everything that's available out there that you can purchase, we get.